In this video, we will learn how to disable or enable email as a multi-factor authentication option. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Security tab and click on Authenticators. Then click on Add Authenticator and add the email authenticator and click Save to save the changes. Alternatively, you can disable email as an authenticator by clicking Actions and Delete. And that is how you disable or enable email as a multi-factor authentication option. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.